So right now in front of me I have a RealMe U1. I bought this phone recently and I'm just gonna unbox it. So let's find out what this phone looks like and what are all its features. But before doing that, let's check out its features on the box. Well, it claims that it is made in India, but I highly doubt that. Okay, so I can see the specifications are mentioned on this side of the box. It has a 13 plus 2 MP rear camera and 25 MP front camera. This looks promising, and I believe other specifications we'll find out once we unbox it. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's do it. So I've taken the wrapper off the smartphone box. I'm just going to open it now. So this is how it looks from the inside, from the very first time when you open the box. I believe these are manuals and cover. Okay, so the good thing about nowadays, every smartphone that you buy, it comes with a cover so that you don't have to buy one for yourself. It's a good thing, I believe. So it has a quick guide, and I think it's one and same stuff. Important information guide. And here's the phone that we were waiting to see. So the first look of the phone. Looks good. Let's see what else is inside the box. So we have a charger. Let's see the rating of the charger. Okay, so it's 5 volt 2 ampere, so I believe it's going to charge smartphone a little bit quicker than normal charger, but not as quick as fast charger. And this is the adapter cable. So it has got a normal USB port, I believe. So this is not a C-type, so it is not as good as a C-type charger, but it is going to be more efficient than a normal charger. Okay, now we're going to reboot the phone for the first time. Let's see how that turns out. I'm going to do it now. So just booting up now.